Good morning, everybody. Today we are at Costco and we are shopping for lunch options. We're going to tackle sandwiches, bento boxes, hot lunch, regular lunch stuff, some allergy-friendly options. And don't worry, we're going to create an ebook for you. My name is Dr. Anna Maria Temple. I'm your holistic pediatrician on call, and my specialty is eczema. My mission is to inspire, empower, educate families to raise healthy kids in this unhealthy world. So we're going to start today's week with great lunch options, because if we fuel our children's brain with good food, they'll have better performance in school, less anxiety, less inattention, more focus, and less teacher emails. So let's go shopping. All right, we're going to tackle this right from the beginning. Sweet. So this is organic, right? Gluten-free cookies. We're looking here. Total added sugar is 9 grams. Here's the thing, the child's total daily intake of added sugar is 24 grams. This is 9 grams. And a lot of parents feel like that children should have a treat in their lunch. A treat for finishing their lunch? I don't get it. Anyway, the children do not need treats. And here's the thing, when you put a treat in your kid's lunch every day, it's no longer a treat, it's their diet. There's no reason that kids should have cookies in their lunch, which is going to worsen their attention, focus, and increase their anxiety. All right, let's go to the bread section, see what we have here. Oh, David's Killer Bread. Why do I choose this? Well, number one, it's organic. Any wheat products have to be organic. If they're not organic, it is a heavily pesticide-sized crop. In other words, they use pesticides to dry the wheat before harvest. It makes it quicker to harvest and more money. And the amount of glyphosate in our children's bodies from wheat is incredible and a big leader in our children's chronic health issues. So wheat is non-negotiable in the organic department. Looking at the back, we see that it has 5 grams of added sugar for 1 slice of bread. Another reason not to put cookies in your children's lunchbox. I'd rather have the bread in a good sandwich than cookies. I don't have any other bread options with less sugar and organic that are at Costco. For allergy-friendly options, I use Char Bread. Now, if we look at the ingredients, are they the best ingredients ever? No, but when it comes to bread, it is a challenge, shall we say. I do use this in my children's lunch. Total sugars added 3 grams. It is not organic. However, it doesn't contain any wheat product. Of note, it does contain soy protein, which of course ideally would be organic. It is a non-GMO, so that does help. At Costco, we have 2 options in the organic apples that you can put in your children's lunch boxes. You can slice them, and actually what I used to do, there's a rubber band trick. So you slice them and wrap the apple with a rubber band and in a tight sealed container so it doesn't turn brown, or you can dip the sliced apples in water and lemon juice and then leave it for 5 minutes. Strain it, dry it, put it in a lunchbox. Oh, wow, more organic apple options. Go Costco at $4.99. They're about 10 apples a bag, which is 50 cents an apple. No excuses. For your bento box loving child, you can do organic cucumbers. Look, there's a whole bunch of red peppers. They are not organic at Costco, but here's the thing. Red peppers are on the dirty dozen, so we want and would love for these to be organic. Sometimes it can't happen, but let me tell you something. Regularly grown red peppers trump Doritos, organic crackers, chips any day. A little trick I used to do is take turkey breast and wrap it tightly around a slice of red pepper, orange pepper, and then slice it sushi style with little toothpicks in there, and it looked like little turkey pepper sushi rolls. You want something sweet in your child's lunch that is without added sugars? How about organic mangoes? All right, so a lot of us put these carrot things in our kids' lunch boxes. Now, if they like these, yay, awesome. I personally think these are tasteless, always concerned of what the watery thing is. I don't find these appetizing, and my children never did either. So what we ended up doing actually is grabbing organic carrots, and I slice these and put them in lunch boxes. Of course, it takes more effort. I will tell you, so much sweeter, so much better taste, and less hard on the teeth. So it may not be that your child doesn't like carrots. They might not like the squishy, watery, carroty things. Don't underestimate the power of salad in a lunchbox. All right, well, don't have to get that. I'm just giving this as an idea. But you can get a mixed bag of vegetables, plant points, and do a side of dressing that your child can just make their salad at school. So fun. Fun fact, side note, I never peel carrots because the peel, number one, is full of fiber. There's a little dirt and whatever. Amazing natural probiotics. So I think we over peel stuff. So I personally just wash and chop. The cheese dilemma at Costco. Now, they don't have a lot of organic cheeses except for their feta cheese. But check this out. If you're picking a cheese and it is from Europe, Switzerland, non-GMO, raw milk, I am okay using this even though it's not going to be organic. Another great option that I just found, how about this? This is Kerrygold. We love their butter, and now they have cheese. Look, grass-fed cows, and it's from Ireland. Yep, this is a go. All right, what if you want to make a sandwich? What cold cuts do you use? Well, these guys are actually the cleanest ones that they have here. It is organic roasted turkey breast. Let's look. Does not have celery powder. Check out these ingredients. So these are great for bento boxes and sandwiches. Perfect. All right, any other cold cuts? Yes, actually prosciutto is awesome. Sorry about the background noise at Costco. Here are the ingredients. Good night. Here's that ingredients: pork and salt. Excellent choice for sandwiches and bento boxes. Ooh, here's a new find from Costco. So this is, you can heat this up, slice it up, and put in a little bento box. Little sausages. Let's look at the ingredients. Actually, pretty fantabulous. In the chippy department, you know, I love these guys, right? They're just plantain chips that are cooked in coconut oil and pink Himalayan salt, side of guac or by themselves or whatever other dip. Excellent for. In other chip news, we have siete, grain-free tortillas. Let's look at the ingredients. Look here. Cassava, avocado oil, coconut flour, chia seeds, sea salt. Excellent for dipping or as a side crunch. Underrated in the lunchbox are hard-boiled eggs or egg salad. Great source of protein. When it comes to burgers, there's always a question, should we do Beyond Burger or what other burgers should we do? So here's a couple great options. Dr. Prager's, really love this brand. Let me move out of people's way. Here's the ingredients. That's not it. And so we don't have any of the regular allergens like dairy, gluten, eggs. We do have soy in form of organic edamame and organic soy flour. These are great lunchbox option. Now, if we're going to look at Beyond Burger, we're going to grab this versus the organic black bean burger. Let's check this out. Beyond Burger. I only have one hand. Okay, so we look at all these ingredients of cocoa butter, methyl cellulose, canola oil, vitamins, apple extract, and such. Negative. Now let's look at the black bean burger and its ingredients. And we see that it's organic and we have great ingredients. It does have organic soybean oil for anyone that has a soy issue. However, this is an awesome option for lunch boxes. If you're wondering what's the deal with soy and what my thoughts on soy are, I made a whole video on my YouTube channel dedicated to this topic. So I'm putting a link here for my YouTubers. Just click on our link over here and it'll take you to watch the rest of the information on soy. For the people that have food allergies and want chicken nuggets, you know these are not my favorite, but the people are going to buy chicken nuggets. So let's take a look and see, are these reasonable? Chicken breast, corn, rice flour, cornmeal, dextrose, organic powder. I mean, if, you need a chicken nugget for a lunchbox once in a while, these just shouldn't be like the daily lunchbox item. But these were all right. My son does eat these organic vegetable pot stickers. Takes 2 minutes to make in the morning. And let's see. Let me grab this. Let's see what we have here. Again, we have the soy flour and the soybeans. He doesn't have an issue with soy, and it's organic. And his added sugars are 1 gram. You know, we underutilize the power of the Thermos in our kids' lunchboxes. So this is a lovely option to put in your children's lunchbox in a thermos. If we look at the ingredients, actually doing pretty awesome. They're organic. The one thing in here is sunflower oil. It is a seed oil. However, it is sourced organically. It is an omega-6. However, this is going to beat chicken nuggets and Dorito crackers and fruit gummies any day. The things that we use a lot of in our eczema transformation course is chickpeas, because kids are allergic to so many things. Anyway, I have such an amazing chickpea salad for lunch boxes. It's to die for. And for lunch boxes are going to be your organic raisins. Always we got to double check our ingredients. Is just California raisins. Another underutilized sweet treat, if you will, are dates. The only ingredient is dates. So this is amazing fiber as our raisins, and it helps keep the poop running smoothly, so no constipation. Adds a little sweetness to the lunch without added sugar. Oh, and then we go down over here. Oh, I wonder if these are any good. What are these? Dried watermelon softened chews. Let's look. What is the ingredient? What? Cane sugar. What's going down? Looky here. Includes 8 grams of added sugar. So that's a third of your child's daily sugar intake. And of course, sulfur dioxide. That sounds delicious. All right, but surely the mangoes are delicious. Look at that, dried mangoes. I mean, how awesome will that be in a lunchbox until we see here mangoes and sugar and sodium meta. Okay, if you can't read it, please don't eat it. 8 grams of added sugar. No go. Fresh mangoes, please. Wait. Oh, here, black bean burgers. So you can make your own black bean burgers, and then you can avoid all the other oils. Great lunchbox idea, black bean burgers. Oh, look. After I just badgered the mangoes, look what's going on here. Let's look at the ingredients. Oh, just mangoes. These are a yes. You know, we can't do lunch without a pouchy thingy. So the fruit and veggie pouches and go squeeze, both organic. Let's flip them around. Here's the ingredients over here. We do have ascorbic acid, so it keeps thing. And here's I would say I prefer this one versus this one, but you know, I'm okay with either. Caveat, I prefer fresh fruits and vegetables rather than pouchy things, but I realize sometimes life happens and occasionally you can use a pouchy thing, but it shouldn't be an everyday thing. Kids should be able to eat fruits and vegetables that are sliced, that are cubed, that are raw, and not just pureed every single time. An amazing find. Has nothing to do with lunch. I can't believe they just brought this to Costco. I gotta show you guys. Okay. It's not diamonds. It's gluten-free organic oats. Okay, my hubby is so pumped right now because, you know, we make our oat milk for our smoothies. Ta-da! See you later, Whole Foods. Hello, Costco. Oh, for my cracker-loving bento box children, I do enjoy Simple Mills almond crackers. Very simple ingredients. They are a yes. Oh, hey. These are organic, baked, crunchy Fuji apples. Huh. I'm gonna grab these organic apples. Fantastic. And they have 4 grams of fiber because they're with a peel. All right, in the snacky section of Costco. Oh, we have these guys. That's it, mini fruit bars. The ingredients are just fruits. These are not considered plant points, but these can be used as a sweet option in lunch boxes that is not a cookie. Well, I hope this was helpful information about shopping at Costco. I hope I don't get run over by a car as I'm videotaping myself in the parking lot. Anyway, stay tuned. We're going to create an ebook with lunch ideas. We're going to grab all this stuff from Costco and put it together in handy dandy, simple to assemble lunches for you and your family. We're going to add Target and Walmart as well. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave me comments and concerns in the video so I can come up with better content the next time that Sunday rolls around. And my name is Dr. Anna Maria Temple. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.